Now that we've established the importance of data, let's move on to the tools that make it possible to collect, analyze, and interpret this data. Every social media platform offers its own analytics features, but third-party tools can provide even deeper insights, allowing you to manage multiple platforms more efficiently. Let's start with platform-specific tools. These are tools built into each social media platform, offering a clear view of how your content is performing on that particular platform. Let's start with Facebook Insights and Instagram Insights. These tools allow you to track reach, impressions, engagement rates, and audience demographics for your posts. They're invaluable for businesses like restaurants that want to see how well their food posts are performing. You can dive into which posts are bringing in the most comments or likes and identify which demographics are most engaged with your content. Let's move on to TikTok Analytics. TikTok's analytics are vital for brands that want to ride the wave of viral content. It shows which videos are gaining traction and provides insights into watch times, audience demographics, and follower growth. This is particularly useful for businesses that want to participate in trending challenges or showcase their products or services. Let's move on to YouTube Analytics. YouTube provides an in-depth view of how people are interacting with your videos. Metrics like audience retention and watch time help you understand what keeps people engaged and which points in your video might be causing drop-offs. Next is third-party tools for enhanced data analysis. In addition to platform-specific analytics, there are several third-party tools that offer more comprehensive views of your social media performance. Let's start with Google Analytics, essential for tracking how your social media traffic interacts with your website. Let's say you're a restaurant running an online reservation system or promoting special events on social media. Google Analytics helps you track the conversion of social media visitors into actual bookings. The next tool that you should be utilizing is Hootsuite. Hootsuite allows you to manage multiple social media platforms from one dashboard, making it easier to schedule posts, track engagement, and analyze performance across platforms. It's great for businesses running promotions on both Instagram, Facebook, and others. Next is Sprout Social. For in-depth reporting and audience analysis, Sprout Social helps you dig deeper into audience behaviors and engagement patterns. It's especially useful for businesses looking to refine their content strategy based on detailed audience insights. Now let's talk about using data to inform your strategy. Once you've gathered all this data, the next step is to use it to fine-tune your strategy. Data should inform decisions like what kind of content to create, when to post, and which audiences to target. For example, if you notice videos perform significantly better than static images, focus on creating more video content. If your data shows that your audience is most active during certain hours, adjust your posting schedule to hit that window of engagement. Let's look at an example of one of our clients, a burger brand. When we started working with them, we were tasked with driving more foot traffic to their new locations. By using Instagram Insights and Google Analytics, we noticed that posts featuring their specialty burger deals paired with limited time offers performed exceptionally well, especially when posted around lunch hours. By scheduling posts to align with peak engagement times and featuring their top-selling items in video format, we helped increase store visits by 25% during the campaign. Now let's look at the key takeaways. Number one is use platform-specific analytics tools to track performance on each platform. Number two, leverage third-party tools like Google Analytics and Hootsuite for more comprehensive data and insights. Next, let data guide your content strategy. Create more of what works and post at the times your audience is most active. Now let's take a moment to reflect. Think about the tools you're currently using to track your data. Are they giving you the full picture? Consider which additional tools might help you get deeper insights and how you can use those insights to refine your strategy.